Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Aihi and welcome to the fourth episode of this summer makeup series where I'm creating 5 different makeup looks for 5 days. So like I said, today it is the 4th day of this series and I decided to create a beautiful smoky blue eye makeup look. And the palette that I will be using, it is obviously the Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. It has beautiful colors in it and I think it is the perfect palette for every colorful makeup look. Okay, so the first color that I want to use, it's this one. This is actually like a white eyeshadow but quite shimmery. So I'm gonna use a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Actually, I will go with this one from BH Cosmetics, and this is the medium shadow brush. So I'm gonna take some of this eyeshadow and let's see what it comes out. So I'm bringing it quite close to my eyebrow and I'm blending the edges. Now right into my crease, I think I will go with this blue shade, and then on top of that, you know, to like really blend it out towards my eyebrow, I think I will go with this one. No, this here. So I'm gonna do that, and I will take I'll take a yes, I think I'll take this pencil brush and I'm gonna go with dark blue eyeshadow right into the crease. And now I will go with the light blue and try to blend this dark blue out. So I'm going right here on the top and blending the two colors together. And also I'm gonna go here on the inner part of my eye, just next to where I stopped with a darker shade. And now I will combine these two blue shades and apply them right here under my lashes. Okay, so now all over my eyelid I will go with this blue shade, this one here, and it's slightly shimmer, so beautiful and very pigmented. And that, as I said, I will apply it all over my eyelid, and at the end I will make sure to blend it here into my crease with the other blue eyeshadow that I have. So I will take, for that to apply it, I think I will go with the flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go with this one by Zoeva, and this is in the number 234. And I will spray a little bit of setting spray on it, just to make sure that I get all the pigment that I want from the eyeshadow. So I will take this. Oh, it looks so pretty. Look at that. This is beautiful color. So let's do this. So now I will go back with this blue shade that I used into my crease, and I'm taking a crease eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this eyeshadow, and I will go back again into my crease and blend it, you know, this color that I have on my eyelid. Going again with the lightest blue, you know, just doing the final touches. So now I will finish the other eye and add some mascara and a lipstick, and I'll be right back. So this is the final result for a lipstick. I used this one by Estee Lauder. It is a perfect and super gorgeous nude color. I am obsessed with this one. I wear it like almost every day, with or without makeup. I just love it. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to create, and you don't really need a lot of products to do it. The only thing that you have to do is to really blend the colors together, you know, to make different shades and everything. I am obsessed with this. So just leave me a comment below and tell me if you like it, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with the final makeup look from this series. Bye!